Hello students, today we will revise chapter number 5 coal and petroleum through these MCQs. First question, which of the following is a renewable source of energy? Guess the answer. Answer is C, that is water. Next question, which of the following is a non-renewable source of energy? Guess the answer. Answer is B, coal. Next question, you have to guess. Plastic is a natural material, man-made material, both A and B, and none of these. Answer is man-made material. Question number 4. Fossil fuels are coal, petroleum, natural gas, all of these. Answer is all of these. Now question number 5. The word coal is derived from the Old English term, that is A is coal, C-O-L coal, B cock, C cocoa, D none of these. Just guess the answer. The answer is A, C-O-L coal. Now question number 6. Which of the following minerals is present in coal? Hydrogen, oxygen, sulfur, all of these. Answer is all of these. Question number 7. Naphthalene balls are used as mosquito repellent, moth repellent, snake repellent, bee repellent. You must have used these naphthalene balls in your home, जिसे हम आजकल कपूर की गोलियां भी कहते हैं, जो हम बॉक्सेस में रखते हैं अपने. So what is the answer? Answer is moth repellent. Now question number 8. How much percentage of carbon is present in bituminous? 20 to 25%, 25 to 35%, 65 to 85%, or 98%? Answer is C, 65 to 85%. Now question number 9 is, the process of conversion of wood into coal is called carbonization, catagenesis, carboniferous, none of these. Answer is yes, carbonization. Answer is carbonization. Now question number 10. Petroleum is also known as, this you have also learnt in your previous class. Petroleum is also known as, yes, that is black gold. Next question. The brown variety of coal is lignite, peat, anthracite, none of these. Yes students, guess the answer. That is lignite. Now question number 12. The major constituent of natural gas is or are butane, methane, hydrogen, ethane. Yes students, tell me the answer. Answer is methane. Now question number 13. The product obtained by destructive distillation of coal is coal tar, coke, coal gas, all of these. Answer is yes, you guessed right. That is all of these. Next question number 14 is, the petroleum product which is not used as fuel is petrol, kerosene, diesel or petroleum jelly? Guess this answer. Answer is correct, petroleum jelly. It is not used as a fuel. Now question number 15. The main constituent of LPG. LPG किससे बना हुआ है? क्या constituent है LPG का? Yes, methane, butane, ethane, propane. Yes, the answer. Answer is butane. Correct. Now question number 16. A natural gas stored under high pressure is called CNG, LPG, KLG, PNP. I hope this answer you know this answer. You have learned this full form in your chapter also. Yes, the answer is CNG, compressed natural gas. Next question is, name the petroleum product used for surfacing of road. Peat, bitumen, lignite, anthracite. Yes, student, guess the answer. It is bitumen. Next is question number 18. The mining of oil under sea is termed as distillation, carbonization, shore mining, destructive distillation. Answer is shore mining, जो किनारे पे, समुद्र के किनारे पर होता है. Okay, next is, which is the best type of coal? Is it lignite? Is it anthracite or bituminous or peat? Guess the answer. Yes, you guessed very right. That is anthracite. Next, the last question is, petroleum is separated by using the difference in ignition temperature के difference की वजह से, melting point के difference की वजह से, freezing point या boiling point. पेट्रोलियम सेपरेट कैसे होता है? किस टेम्परेचर के डिफरेंस की वजह से? फ्रैक्शनल डिस्टिलेशन में आपने पढ़ा था ये. The products of petroleum, the constituents of petroleum is separated out by which type of temperature among these four? Guess, you must know this answer. The answer is boiling point, different temperature of boiling. I hope आपने ये अच्छे से सुना होगा. इन क्वेश्चंस को दोबारा से अच्छे से रिवाइज करना, and it will help you in your coming UT test. Thank you all.